Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will study what services does wholesaler provide to manufacturers. So manufacturer is one who produces goods and wholesaler purchase such goods in bulk quantities from manufacturer. So let us study what services does wholesaler provide to manufacturers. First point is facilitating large scale production. Wholesaler facilitate large scale production as they take small orders from retailers and pass on pool of such orders to manufacturers. So this result in manufacturers to undertake production on large scale and they can take the advantage of economies of scale. So wholesalers take small orders from retailer and pass on such orders in bulk quantities to manufacturers, which in turn result manufacturers to undertake production on large scale and they can take advantage of economies of scale. So what is economies of scale? Economies of scale occurs when a business operates on a large scale. They benefit from number of efficiency. For better understanding, let us take one example of restaurant. It is, for example, it is cheaper and efficient to serve 500 customer rather than one customer because there are many costs. For example, staff costs, cost of rent for land and other marketing and advertisement costs to pay. So for paying such amount, it is profitable to serve 500 customers rather than one customer. Next point is bearing risk. Wholesalers also bear variety of risks such as risk of fall in prices, theft, pilferage, spoilage, fire, etc. as they purchase goods in bulk quantities from manufacturers and keep goods in warehouse till the time goods are demanded by retailers. So wholesaler stores the goods in warehouses from the time it is produced till the goods are demanded by retailer. So goods are subjected to variety of risks. For example, they may be fall in prices, spoilage, fire. So these risks are to be bear by wholesalers only. Next point is financial assistance. Wholesaler provide financial assistance to manufacturers as they make cash payment for the goods purchased by them and provide advance money for bulk orders placed to producers. So wholesalers make the cash payment on the time and also sometimes they provide advance money for the bulk orders. So it benefits manufacturer to run their business smoothly. Next point is expert advice. Wholesalers provide expert advice to manufacturer about customer tastes and preferences, market condition, competitive activities, and features preferred by buyers so that manufacturer can produce goods accordingly. As wholesalers are in direct contact with the retailers, who are in direct contact with ultimate consumers, so they are in better position to tell what customers' tastes are, their preferences are, market conditions, and what competitive activities have to follow and what features are preferred by buyers in today's market. So this benefit the manufacturer that they can produce goods accordingly. Next point is help in marketing functions. Manufacturers can concentrate on their production activities as wholesalers perform distribution and marketing functions needed. So wholesaler help manufacturer in marketing function. So manufacturer does not have to bother about distribution and marketing functions because it is only wholesalers who have to perform distribution and marketing functions. So manufacturer can concentrate on their production activity only. Next point is facilitate production continuity. Wholesaler facilitate production continuity as they purchase goods from manufacturer when the goods are produced and store goods till the time it is required by retailer. So wholesaler facilitate production continuity because they place the orders in bulk quantities to manufacturers and also stores the good till the time it is required by retailers. So manufacturers produce the goods continuously throughout the year. Next point is storage. Wholesalers store the goods in their warehouses go down from the time it is produced till the time it reaches ultimate consumer. So wholesalers also provide the facility of storage to manufacturers because at that time of period, goods are subjected to lot of factors such as spoilage, fire, and demand fluctuations, price fluctuation. So these factors have to bear by wholesalers only. So these are the services which are provided by wholesalers to manufacturers. Thank you for watching.